This is a wartime undertaking.
In his first full day in office, President Joe Biden with the cold, hard facts about the virus that has taken hold of our lives.
Things are going to continue to get worse before they get better. The memorial we held 2 nights ago will not be our last one, unfortunately. The death toll will likely top 500,000 next month.
Telling the American people the truth, but at the same time giving them hope in the form of a comprehensive plan kickstarted by a series of executive orders. Mr. Biden holding up the 198-page plan to defeat COVID. Some of the highlights: invoking the Defense Production Act to ramp up vaccine production and PPE, directing FEMA to set up federal community vaccination sites within the next 30 days, setting up more local pharmacies to vaccinate, establish an equity task force to address racial disparities in COVID care, require mask wearing on all federal property and interstate travel such as planes, trains, and buses, and mandatory testing for all international travelers flying into the U.S.
We're going to make sure they work free from political interference and they make decisions strictly based on science and health care alone. Science and health alone, not what the political consequences are.
Striking a much different tone, the Biden administration putting Dr. Anthony Fauci out there. The nation's top disease expert was largely seen as sidelined by President Trump. Today, Fauci admitted it was, quote, liberating to be able to speak freely.
One of the things that we're going to do is to be completely transparent, open, and honest. If things go wrong, not point fingers, but to correct them, and to make everything we do be based on science and evidence.
It's a big departure from the former administration, which left a lot of the responsibility to the state level. Mr. Biden also has set a goal: 100 million vaccinations in his first 100 days in office. Now, the president also says that he is putting together a testing board to increase testing and also to develop new and more accurate rapid tests. Also, he's forming a task force to provide guidance to states on how to safely reopen schools and businesses. We're live on the West Side tonight. I'm Shirley Chan, Pix 11 News.